Hey, what's going on everybody? Sergi here, back with another quick video for you guys. And this isn't going to be a typical video that I do upload on my channel, but on this channel I do upload lots of videos regarding my bagged 2014 Honda Civic Si. I also upload videos regarding my 2017 Focus ST. Also do a lot of walkarounds and stuff like that. So if you guys are into that type of stuff, consider subscribing down below. And also remember to give this video a big good old thumbs up, and remember to share this video to your friends, family, dog, neighbor, grandma, grandpa, so on. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started with the video. We're going to be talking today about my brand new camera that I picked up this past week, Sony A5100. Alright, what's up guys? So that was actually me just attempting to make some cinematic scenes of my Sony A5100 for the first time ever. I've never actually really done anything like that before. I did that all with my iPhone 8 Plus. So bear with me, don't be too critical about me. But big disclaimer, before we do start talking about my new camera, do want to let you guys know I'm not a big camera person. I mean, I know how to use a camera, stuff like that, and I'm learning and all that stuff, but want to just let you guys know that this is going to basically be your average user review. I'm just going to talk about this camera and its features and how I like it so far and all that stuff. So it's not like I'm a professional photographer or anything like that. So if I tend to miss some things or features or don't talk about something, bear with me. This is your average review on this camera that I picked up this past week. So like I said, this is going to be the Sony A5100. It's a 24.3 mirrorless camera by Sony, and it comes with a 16 to 50 millimeter lens, 3.5 to 5.6 aperture. So basically I didn't really have a legit camera to actually do video and stuff like that for my YouTube channel, so I went ahead and picked one of these up. I had actually been doing a bunch of research before I went ahead and bought this camera. Basically was just YouTube searching what is a good and cheap camera that would do good with video and stuff like that. And I came across this camera, and what caught my eye about this camera is how small it is, and also the features that it has as well. So one of the best features that this camera has is that the screen flips up complete 180 degrees. So as you can see here, this is very beneficial if you're going to be vlogging and stuff like that. And I'm kind of aiming this video towards people who are just starting their YouTube channel. You guys might not have a lot of money to spend, and I want to recommend this camera to anyone who is looking for a good camera to be able to take videos with, stuff like that, and you don't have like $1,000 or $2,000 to spend. You only have a couple hundred. So this is definitely the camera that you should consider. I'm extremely happy with it. So first, just want to talk about the size and the portability of this camera. I'm gonna pull my D3300 out so you guys can see how the size compares to a regular DSLR versus this. So this is my Nikon D3300. Here's a quick look. And now this camera is your pretty average size for a DSLR, and like I said, this is going to be a mirrorless camera. So just gonna put them side by side here so you guys can see size difference. So you can see right there the difference is huge, and to be honest, this takes just about as good as pictures as this does. So I mean, this camera kind of does it all, and let me explain to you guys why in just a moment. But just look there, this is a pretty small DSLR also. I mean, there's even bigger ones than this. This isn't a big lens either. So that just shows you how nice and portable this camera is. You can take it with you on the go, stuff like that. You'll have no problems with it. Now I'm going to do a quick little side view there. Quick little side view. It's a little dark. I do apologize about that. And now a view of the front. So yeah, there are the two cameras. As you can see, this camera is very nice, very small, very compact. You could literally put this in your pocket, your purse, or whatever like that, and take it with you on the go, no problem at all. And now I'm gonna turn it on here, gonna take the lens cap off. So you're gonna have your on-off switch right here. Right here, you're gonna have your shutter button to take pictures. So it turns right on, and this camera is actually very smart as well, and you can actually focus on whatever object you're trying to take a picture of or whatever you're taking a video of by just tapping the screen just like that. So you can actually focus just by doing that, or you can also change in the settings where you can just tap the screen and it snaps a picture as well. And another thing that's very beneficial about this is that it has Wi-Fi capabilities. So you just go here to settings, send to smartphone or to send to computer, and instead of having to hook up your camera to your computer and downloading all the pictures and stuff like that, you can literally just send it straight to your phone. Let's say you're outside, you're not going to be on your computer for who knows how long, and you want to get those pictures that you just took. You can just send them straight to your phone. This camera does have Wi-Fi capabilities, so that's a big plus for this camera. And so here's the screen flipped up. There I am. So this is very beneficial if you're going to be vlogging. And the only downside to this camera is that you can't connect an external microphone. But so I was a little worried about that. I wasn't sure how the audio was going to sound. And believe it or not, the audio is actually very good on this camera. And if you guys want to check out what the audio sounds like, if you guys want to get a little preview of what the audio sounds like on this camera, I actually just posted my previous video where I reveal my new wheels for my Honda. Check that video out so you guys can see what the audio sounds like. The audio in that video is just straight from this camera, no external microphone, no nothing, just the camera itself. So check that out if you guys want to see how the video sounds. But I mean, yeah, that's about it. The camera has Wi-Fi capabilities, like I said. Right here, you can zoom in and out, and you can also zoom in and out from right here as well. Like I said, it is touchscreen right here, but the touchscreen is basically only for touching it for it to take a picture or for you to focus and stuff like that. It does come with flash. Right there is the button. There you go. And also, just so you guys can see other features, so right here you can have your SD card slot, charge and everything like that. Under here is going to be the battery. Right here you have the little screw where you can put like a tripod or like a gorilla tripod or whatever, stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. I'm going to be using this to record my videos from now on. Basically, before I was just using my iPhone 8 Plus, or I was using my GoPro for everything. So I really wanted to pick up a good camera that, you know, wouldn't dig a deep hole in my wallet for YouTube video making. And so far, I'm really happy with this. It takes very good pictures, and you can actually change the lens for this. So right now I have this kit lens that comes with it. You can get like a 35mm with like a 1.8 aperture, stuff like that. So you can change the lens if you want to use this for picture taking and also for video taking. It works very good as well. So, and like I said, I know you can't connect an external microphone, but that's no problem because it picks up good audio as is. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I definitely recommend this camera, like I said. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And also remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And remember to share and subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.